Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to welcome you to the next video here. This time I'm using a LunkerHunt Link, but I'm using that like the snake pattern, which has the bluegill on the belly. So the whole goal this time is definitely to catch some topwater fish, but also enter them in the G-Money Outdoor Bass Tournament. So you'll hear me say G-Money Outdoor Bass Tournament, but the reality is I'm out here definitely catching fish from my channel so you guys can see what's going on, but then also, trying to be in this tournament and compete. So once again, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification because it doesn't cost you anything. And always remember, keep your line tight because when they hit that topwater lure, it's going to be a big bite. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go, folks. Nice one. There we go. There we go. There we go. They'll come out. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, everybody. We got one here. Woo. Get all that out of the way. Everybody, you can take a look there. I got that one on another one of the LunkerHunt links right there. So that was good to go. All right. Got in those weeds. And that's how I messed up with him. In those weeds. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Then once again, got this nice one right here. This nice one right here on the, as you can see, on the LunkerHunt Link. I used the snake pattern on this one and got this one here. So that's really good. All right. All right. Let's see. All right. This one's called for the G-Money Strong Bass Tournament Outdoors. I'm going to do a weigh on him. And this one weighs in at 2.05. So once again, this one is the official catch for the G-Money Outdoor Bass Open. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Right on the drop. Right on the drop. It's not a big one though. Right on the drop. Right on the drop. Right on the drop. All right, everybody. Not bad. I caught that one on the Morning Dawn worm. So that's not a bad one at all here. Not sure what the weight is on this one, but as you can see, boom, I got him on the trapper hook here. So that was cool. Let's see here. Got him on the trapper hook. And boom, here he is right here. I don't think he's that big. Let's see what we got. Let's see here. I don't know where. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. He is just 1 pound and 1/8, so he doesn't really qualify. He doesn't really qualify for the tournament, but nonetheless, I appreciate the bite. There we go. There we go. Folks, bed fishing. There we go. Got him. Woo! Got that one. Nice one. It's actually a nice one. Yeah. Nice one, everybody. Been throwing and throwing. Finally got him. Finally got him. All right. Oh. All right. There we go. As you can see, everybody, that's another one. Another nice one. Got him on the trapper hook. So that was a good one right here. That's a nice one right there for the G Money Strong Outdoor Bass Open. That looks like a good one right there, folks. So we're going to do a weigh. I think we got one here that can qualify. Let's see here. Oh, man. See what we got. All right. Let's see what we got here. We've got 1 point. Hurting himself. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Not gonna let you go till you let me get away. All right. We got a 1.52 on this one right here. All right. 1.52. Once again, G Money Strong Outdoor. This is definitely an entry and definitely was a good one here. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here, man. Just want to close this session out. We had a great session here today. I got 3 today, so that was encouraging. Got 1 on Topwater, 1 on Morning Dawn Worm, and then I even caught a bedder that was bedding as well. So that was really great. What I want to show everybody and share with everybody is always topwater is what it's about. So I'm always fishing topwater. If I'm not able to do that, then I'll throw that floating worm and I'll try to create that action and make it happen there. But the whole thing is about trying new lures, everybody. Always trying different lures, different shapes, different colors, different ways, so that you grow and learn. So that's the key for me. So what allows me to be a better fisherman is trying variations of different things. So the same for you. I want to encourage you to try different lures, different situations, because they'll make you a better overall fisherman if you decide to fish in different styles. So once again, as I said before, I'm in this tournament. My goal is to try to place in the tournament at least. So I'm doing what I have to do. So once again, everybody, please like, subscribe to the channel, and always remember, keep your line tight, because when they hit that topwater lure or that floating worm, it's going to be a big bite. All right.